So over here you can see that I have this note right here, and let me just go ahead and press enter and type in, let's say for example, this is an example paragraph that I have right here. So you can see that this is the text I got, and let's say I want to go ahead and format it. In that case, if I were to go ahead and select this out, you can see the formatting actually pops up. So now what you can actually do is you can change around the text style. So here you can see that there's the text, and you can go ahead and change that out into bullet list, as you can see right here, and so forth. And then if I were to press enter, you got the bullet list now. Similarly, you can go around and then, let's say for example, bold this out right here, just like this. You can go ahead and italicize it, underline it, strike it through, turn it into a code as well, and even mark it as an equation right here, just like this as well, and then it shows it in an equation format. But we are going to talk about equation and other format things as well as we progress along the course as well. So this is what you have, as you can see. So if I were to go around, you can see that I can also add in a link right here, change around the text color as you like as well, just like this, and change around the background color for the text, just by selecting these things as well. So this is how you can actually go ahead and then change the page text styles inside of Notion as you like. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.